Hello students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. In this current video, we are going to discuss about the digital marketing and its objectives. What exactly is digital marketing? So digital marketing is the marketing that is whatever techniques which are done for promoting the product or for giving the education or awareness about the product digitally with the electronic platform or electronic media. It is digital marketing. So digital marketing refers to the management and execution of marketing activities by using digital electronic technologies and channels like digital TV, emails, web wireless media, digital data concerning consumer behavior and its attributes. So digital marketing helps in reaching the customers, target customers on time without consuming much resources and in an interactive manner. Marketing is to whatever techniques or whatever actions it is performed to educate about the product. So now digital marketing is with the help of digital gadgets or emails or web wireless media. So here it is an interactive thing which is consuming very less resources. That is the benefit of the digital marketing. So internet marketing is one of the type of digital marketing. Digital marketing comprises various activities and these activities undergo frequent changes as per the development innovations in the digital resources. So whatever the developments are taken place in the digital world, accordingly digital marketing will also be changing time to time. There will be frequent changes. So consumer preference to digital resource, cost effectiveness, execution speed and customer experience with digital resources are the factors which are forcing the marketers to focus on the digital marketing activities. Day by day, we are observing in the market there are so many things which are improving or developing. Like we say, models are changing, versions are changing, software is changing. So when it is changing, now everything is artificial intelligence. So as these things are changing, definitely in marketing also these digital marketing activities are changing depending on the technological innovations. Thus, it may be stated that digital marketing helps towards integration of the markets with the consumers, which in turn would facilitate the purchase and consumption of the product or service. Further, the field of digital marketing also involves knowledge of traditional marketing. It performs the same role as that of traditional marketing, that is acting as a platform to connect potential customers with the market. Then objectives, coming to the objectives of digital marketing, it aims to promote new products and services by giving the platform and for the potential marketers to reach to the target customer. That is very, very important. Target customers, reaching target customers is important. So with the help of digital marketing, it is achieved. To create brand awareness for the product or services, to help the marketer to understand the present potential needs. Nowadays it is most important factor wherein depending on the research, once the research is done for what are the needs, present needs, because the customer preferences and tastes are changing day by day. So today it may be on demand the need, next day it may not be. Every, not only day, it is taking hour to hour, the preferences are changing. So the marketer can understand the present and potential needs of the customer with the help of digital. That is one of the objective. It aims to create brand awareness for a given product or services. So it is also with the help of this, one of the objective is it can create brand awareness, to create brand awareness. And digital marketing also facilitates engagement among the audience in relation to the business. It tries to connect to the customers, audience with relation to the business. It facilitates publicly and promotion of new products and services in the market. It will be giving a promotion to the new products or services and also publicity. Then it also aims to increase the level of customer satisfaction and generate brand loyalty. So this one of the objective is to also aims to increase the level of customers satisfaction and generate brand loyalty. And it aims to involve transfer of goods and services from marketers to the end users. It to create demand for products through attractive advertisements, and it helps marketers to reach the customer through a variety of digital marketing tools like social media, videos, audio chats, web blogs, web apps, or with the help of these things. Then it helps to help in market segmentation of the marketer's products. So this is a very big task, market segmentation. So what are the exact category of people who are required? So the digital marketing, one of the objective is to help in market segmentation. Then it to help the marketer reach their target audience. Once the market segmentation is done, it becomes easy to reach to the target customers. Thus, it may be concluded that digital marketing is a new and evolving field which possesses potential for immense growth in the future. So, these are the objectives of digital marketing. So the question may be asking like, what do you mean by digital marketing? State its objectives, or it may be asking about explain about the objectives of the digital marketing. Hope this video is helpful in understanding about what is digital marketing and what are the objectives of digital marketing. Thank you.